Welcome to Gracie Jiu Jitsu Ilkley. Today we're going to be looking at our principles videos today, and we're going to be here with Alan. So today we're looking at the false surrender. So false surrender is basically any time that we're going to surrender to our opponent to make them drop the guard just for a little bit. Now we're going to use the side control as an example, but again this could be in any position, it could be any situation, any submission. But again, just look at this for example. If Alan's got good solid control from me and I try and fight my way out right now, I might try once, twice, but every time I try, because Alan feels that I'm looking at getting out, all he's going to do is he's going to clamp tighter and tighter and tighter. So again, the more I fight, the more he's going to clamp down with his control. So instead, we're going to utilize this false surrender principle. So instead of trying to, clamp in and try and force our way out, I'm just going to relax my body language for a little bit. In Alan's mind, he feels that we've given up. He feels that we've surrendered. As soon as he feels that, he might, try and switch his position. So for this example, he might transition to another position. So from there, we can utilize that, trap the leg, hug the back, and then we've got to a better position for our advantage. So again, this could be from a submission. It could be out of a position. It could be looking at getting to our feet. Anytime we kind of relax our body posture and they feel we've given up, it's going to make them drop the guard just for a split second to allow us to get to a more beneficial position for us, utilizing the false surrender.